Ever wonder what a realtor actually does? It's not just about showing homes. Thinking about selling your home, you might be wondering, what exactly does a realtor do? And do I even need one? Well, let's walk through all the steps we take to ensure a smooth, profitable sale from start to finish. And spoiler alert, it's a lot more than just putting up a for sale sign in your front yard. Hi, I'm Chelsea Runnings. I'm your trusted California realtor. First off, one of the biggest things a realtor does is help prepare your property for sale. This means everything from clearing out personal items and cleaning to suggesting repairs or updates that will maximize your home's profit. Whether it's a fresh paint, fixing leaky faucets, or staging the space, I'll help guide you on the best moves to make your home more appealing to buyers and get you the best return possible. Next, let's talk about negotiations. As your realtor, I'm there to represent your best interests when dealing with offers, counteroffers, and everything in between. Negotiating isn't just about the price, it's about terms, contingencies, and finding a deal that works for both parties. I handle the back and forth to make sure that you get the most favorable outcome. Then comes all the paperwork, and trust me, there's a lot of it. From listing agreements to the final sales contract, I ensure all the documents are completed accurately and timely. I'll also review and verify all disclosures to make sure that you're legally protected throughout the process. Missing a document or a disclosure can create serious issues, and I'm here to make sure that nothing slips through the cracks. Another key responsibility is facilitating inspections and specialists. Whether it's a general home inspection, termite inspection, or even specialized contractors, I'll help you coordinate everything needed to address potential issues that buyers might be concerned about. And if repairs or updates are necessary, I'll help guide you in making the right choices so that you can keep things moving forward. Pricing your home correctly is another huge part of what I do. I'll analyze comparable homes in the area, consider market conditions, and come up with a competitive price that's just right to attract buyers while maximizing your return. Then I market the property online, open houses, social media, and beyond, making sure your home gets the visibility it needs to sell quickly. So, as you can see, a realtor does a lot more than you might think, from preparing your home for sale to managing paperwork and negotiations and everything between. My job is to make sure you're set up for success. If you're thinking of selling, I'd love to help you every step of the way.